In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse lists in Trello. If your Trello boards are starting to feel cluttered or you just want a cleaner view to focus on what matters, collapsing lists is a quick way to clear visual noise without moving or deleting anything. Collapsed lists keep all their cards and settings intact. They're simply tucked out of the way until you need them again. First, go to Trello in your web browser or desktop app. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual account so you can access your boards. Once Trello loads, you'll see your workspace home where your recent activity, starred boards, and templates might appear. Give the page a moment to fully load so all your boards and list controls are available. Next, click Boards to open the panel that shows the boards you have access to. Depending on your layout, you might see this along the left sidebar or at the top navigation. Boards are grouped by workspace, so if you're part of multiple teams, make sure you're in the right place. This area helps you quickly jump to the board where you want to tidy up your lists. Now select the board you want and click to open it. When the board loads, you'll see your lists laid out side by side, things like to do in progress and done. If your board is wide, you might need to scroll horizontally to see everything. Take a second to identify which lists you rarely need to see in full, like a long backlog or a completed section. Finally, select a list and collapse it. To do this, hover over the list's header and open the list menu, usually found as 3 dots on the top right of the list. From that menu, choose Collapse List. The list will shrink to just its header, freeing up space and making the rest of your board easier to scan. You can repeat this for any other list you want to hide from view. Collapsing doesn't archive or remove cards, so it's safe to use on active lists. If you ever need to bring a list back, use the same menu in the header to toggle it open again. That's all there is to it. Go to Trello, click Boards, select your board, then collapse the lists you want to tuck away. Use this whenever your board starts to feel busy and you want a focused, streamlined workspace.